Hey everyone, it's Allie and welcome to another BoxyCharm unboxing video. For those of you who don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. You get a box full of full-size goodies every single month. It goes for $25 and each box, I believe, is guaranteed to value at over $100. Today I did a little try-on unboxing for you so you could take a look at the products that I got, see which ones of those I'm actually wearing today. And yeah, if you would like to sign up for BoxyCharm, I will leave a link to that below. It is a referral link. And if you want to take a look and see what products I got in this month, just keep watching. So this is for February. Let's open the box and see what we have. So the first thing that I see are these brushes, I believe, by Glamier. It's the Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. This retails for $29.95. So normally these aren't really like my style, I would say, but like they're really cute. They actually feel pretty nice as far as quality. Feels like very soft. All right, so the big guy that I see in this month's box is by Ace Beauté, I believe is how you pronounce it. This is the Nostalgia palette. It says that it consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity. Let's open it up and see. Oh, hello. Hi. Lots and lots of color here. This is just like very colorful. It actually reminds me a lot of the Jaclyn Hill palette, and which I have right here, the Volume 2 palette. So this is the Jaclyn Hill palette. So you can see a lot of pinks and purples, yellows, orange, things like that. While this one it does have like the pinks and the purples, the yellows, the golds, but it has that pop of like green. I see some shades that are pretty similar, which now I'm like, do I want to use it or do I want to give it away? Okay, anyway, so that was just like a quick observation. It does seem like a lot of the colors are very similar to some colors in the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. This retails for $38.99, so $39. You get 15 colors, a lot of bright colors, statement colors. Don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this. I'm gonna try it on. So I'm gonna prep my eyes with my Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna use the brushes that I got. I'm also trying out something for my lashes, and I'm having trouble deciding if I actually like it or not. I don't know. Can you guys let me know if you feel like my lashes have grown? And do you think my eyelids have gotten darker? Because that's a concern of mine. I don't know what kind of look I'm going to go for. I kind of want to use like that green color just because it's so like out of character for me. Literally just dug my nail into that. So, okay, it looks pigmented. Do they have, I don't think they have like actual names on it from the brushes that I just got. And I'm going to take this color Beach, which is like the most neutral color in this palette. And of course, we're going to let's put that in the crease. That's like so similar to my skin tone. I feel like it doesn't really do anything. I'm gonna be like a little boring here. I'm gonna take the color Flower, and I'm gonna take this brush, the one that's like a little bit more flat, and we're gonna put that all over the lid. These brushes actually feel very soft. So as you see, I have to like build it up a little bit. So it's definitely not like the most pigmented that I've ever used, but I personally don't mind that because that way you can just build it up instead of just like everything in your face from the get-go. All right, I'm gonna go in with this raspberry color right here. That same brush. Just gonna put some on the outside here, into the crease a little bit, and in the inner corner. Love how I'm like, I don't want to make it too dark, and here I am just building and building and building, and have like a ton of magenta on my eyes. I'm gonna go back in with that beach color with that first brush that I used and kind of blend that out a bit. Soften that a little. Well, I'm gonna take the 3 glitters and see which ones I want to do. So it's Heat, Stargazing, and Fun. I think I'm gonna go in with that orange color in the middle, Stargazing. We're gonna just put that on the lid. Okay, that's pretty. It's probably more pigmented if I use my finger, but I don't want it to be like crazy glittery today. All right, I'm gonna take this Hiking color, which is the brown in the palette. It's like a reddish brown. It's looking a lot more red on camera. I'm just gonna kind of use that shadow like liner is not getting it like super precise. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not loving it. Maybe because I wasn't like planning on having a crazy eye today, but it's okay. I mean, it's not bad. I just wasn't planning on going for this type of look today, so I feel like I'm a little thrown off. You know, when you're just like not really feeling it, like the makeup look that you have. Like I kind of want to just take it all off and start over. I'm not going to do that though because I don't have time. But we're going to leave it at that for now. I want to swatch that green one though. Theme Park it's called. Just because I'm curious as to how it's going to work. That's the green one. I just wanted to swatch it and see. All right. Let's stop. All right, the next thing that I have is by Tristique, which I've gotten a few of their, I believe, eyeliners, lip liners, things like that in the past. This is the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. Okay, so we have the eyeliner. It has a smudger, a half curler. Oh, comes with an eyeliner. It has a smudger on the other side. And then this is just the mascara. And it comes with an eyelash curler, I believe, on top here. It has an eyelash curler, but like that's so little. This is in Santorini Black Sand, the eyeliner. Oh, how much does this go for? This duo goes for $44. So I just swatched it. It's actually pretty black. I guess we're doing black eyeliner today. All right, let's do that. And it's super easy to apply. That went on like effortlessly. So I'm gonna do my waterline and I am gonna go over, I think, on the top a little bit. All right. I think that looks better. All you need is like a little black eyeliner, a little mascara, and it's all good. And lashes. Throw on a pair of lashes. That'll fix any eyeshadow look that you're not crazy about. Just throw on some lashes. I'm not going to do that today though. But just saying. Do you guys use these? I don't even remember the last time I used like a smudger to smudge out the eyeliner. All right, we are lined. We are smudged. I'm very curious about this eyelash curler situation that we have going on. How is that going to fit? It says it's a half curler, but like, what do you expect me to do? I don't understand. So I will say the eyeliner was really nice. It went on super easily. It does not irritate my eyes and I have sensitive eyes, but I don't like, how is that going to work? How is it going to curl my eyelashes? I have to do it half and half. Like, is it going to cut my eyelash? I don't know. You flip this down and there you have the eyelash curler. I'm a little nervous about this. Okay, whatever. Doing one half. Okay, let's do the middle part. I feel like I have to do it actually in thirds. It's the middle. And the inner corner. I feel like good concept. I mean, it curled a little bit. I don't know if you can tell. It did curl. Okay. Let's just see how this works. Let's put the mascara on. So I just put that back on. Let's put the mascara. This is the wand. Very skinny. And let's just go ahead and apply that. I'm going to try to do a second layer and see if this mascara is buildable. Yeah, and I feel like it was really hard to curl your lashes like that. Like I personally couldn't really see like where I left off and where I had to pick up. And you know, it's like sometimes you just gotta stop while you're ahead, because if you keep going trying to do more, you're gonna just end up with spider lashes, and I'm not going for that. I think like the idea is nice for like travel and stuff, but otherwise like I'd rather just use a regular eyelash curler and do like a one-time thing instead of different sections, but still pretty cool. All right, the next thing that I see here is by Saint Luxe Beauty. It is a limited edition liner duo. I have it in the shades, it's Secret Admire and Love Letter. And these go for $40. I'm gonna go Secret Admire today. My lips are very dry. I'm like super dehydrated. It's a problem. I'm always dehydrated. Let's go in with that. It's a little rough feeling. It's a little hard. I don't know if it's because the tip is so pointy, but I like this color. Yeah, it's definitely not like the creamiest. Maybe because my lips are so dry and chapped too. I'm gonna like fill it in a little bit. My lips are so chapped. I'm sorry, guys. I really like this color. I'm gonna go in and put like a lighter lipstick on. This is the color Baddest Beige by Maybelline. Okay, I'm gonna put this is Peach Tea by Dominique Cosmetics. It's like a little peachy pink. I'm just gonna put that on top. I don't know, maybe it'll like tie it all together without being like too matchy. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, cool. The last thing in the box is by Saturday Skin. It is a vitamin C sleep mask. Ooh, vitamin C mask. It says that it works while you sleep to deliver moisture, while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture, aka everything that I have. It's a jelly texture mask, and it's crafted with the yuzu fruit, which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. Cool. This is so cute. I love when skincare products have like their own little applicators and a designated place for them, because that way you don't have to like dig your fingers into there. It almost looks like there's like pulp in there. It smells nice. It smells citrusy, but not like overwhelming. But I definitely want to try this out. I'm such a sucker for packaging. This is so cute. And this retails, did I say what it retails for? This retails for $29, but this looks cute. I've never used anything by Saturday Skin, but I definitely want to try this out. So after all that, I think that is everything for the box. So to recap, I got this set of brushes, which are like very cute. To be honest, I'll probably just give it to my girls. The quality was nice, but I just think they'll enjoy playing with that. We got this eyeshadow palette, which I do want to play around with more. Again, I feel like it wasn't really fair because I wasn't feeling like a super colorful eyeshadow look today. We got this duo of the eyeliner and the mascara. The eyeliner I really liked, I have to be honest with you. The mascara, cool concept with the whole like built-in eyelash curler. Kind of not convenient. I get what you're going for, Tristique, but it wasn't the most convenient. I don't know. And the formula of the mascara seems fine. But the eyeliner I really like. This is fine, but not something that like wowed me. We got 2 lip liners, which I think the colors I really like and will be using. Again, not so much with this look, but I'm all about like browns and nudes and things like that. Not the creamiest, but it was fine again. And last but not least, this Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask that I'm very excited to try out. So out of all of that, I think that I'm most excited for the sleep mask, to be honest. Even though I've never used it, I haven't used it, it might be terrible for me, but I'm most excited to try this out, especially obviously since I didn't get to try it out. The other stuff I got to try out. This one I'm excited to try out. So the total for this month's box is $181.94. So that's pretty good for 25 bucks. Yeah, I think that does it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you like this try-on style, or if you'd rather me just sit here and open up and show you what I got instead of just trying it on. What do you guys like to see better? Do you like to see the products in action, or do you want me to just show you what I got? Let me know if you get BoxyCharm, what products you got, if you got some of the same things or different things. Have you tried any of these products? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Let me know. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. Ring the bell for notifications. Be sure to stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.